shakeup in the state Supreme Court today. The longest-serving member of the High Court not running for re-election.
Christina Benzels is here in the studio with why the race is crucial in our swing state. Christina?
Yeah, Justice Ann Walsh Bradley announced her plans to retire earlier this morning. Now all eyes are on Wisconsin for the next 2 election cycles.
This is a critical vote.
It's now an election that will determine who would control the state Supreme Court. Thursday, Justice Ann Walsh Bradley announced she will not run for a 4th term. Bradley is part of the court's 4-3 liberal majority, and she served on the court for 29 years.
Well, that's what happens to a dynamic court. That's why we elect judges and change every, here it's every 10 years, but we keep the court, changing so that people can see who their judges are.
Bradley's term comes to an end in July 2025. Her retirement comes a year after liberals took majority control in the Supreme Court. That was the first time in 15 years. And now conservatives could regain control with the open seat.
There are going to be lots of really important social and legal issues in front of the court, and that next justice will have a lot of weight on that court just because it's divided theoretically and judicially.
Former Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske says the race is going to be critical.
It involves election-related issues. It involves sometimes about, what the statutes say in terms of abortion.
Back in November, conservative candidate Brad Schimmel announced he'll be running for the Supreme Court. 2 current liberal judges are also considering entering the race, Susan Crawford and Chris Taylor.
It'll be a vigorous campaign, and it'll be interesting to see where the candidates come from and what their philosophies are.
Geske expects many more candidates to do the same.
This race will be on your ballot in the 2025 spring election. Candidates do have until the end of this year to file their nomination papers. Mary?
All right, Christina, thank you.